Valorant downloaded, installed, and loading straight to the main menu. Here's the part nobody tells you. On Windows 11, the game installs fine and then refuses to launch unless Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 are switched on. Sort that, and you're playing in minutes. So before anything, press Windows R, type tpm.msc, and confirm it says the TPM is ready for use. On Windows 10, skip this. Now head to playvalorant.com and click play. Select PC. Now on the right, sign in with your Riot account or make one on the left. That unlocks the download and run the file that downloads. It's just the small Riot client launcher, not the full game yet. Click install. Once the client opens, select Valorant on the left and click install. The full download runs 25 to 70 gigabytes depending on the patch, so make sure your drive has room. When it finishes, it'll ask for a restart. That's Vanguard, the anti-cheat, and it won't load without it. Reboot, hit play, and let Vanguard initialize. Once that's done, Valorant boots to the main menu and you're ready to queue. Downloaded and installed start to finish. One thing, if you get a VAN 9001 or 9003 error on first launch, that's Secure Boot off, so flip it on in BIOS. A VAN 9090 means TPM isn't ready. Open tpm.msc and click Prepare the TPM. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Valorant videos.